to 17%, unofficially 19 to 20%. Still, what makes the authorities of India to neglect the Muslims of India? That's a very important question. That's an important question. So what I am trying to emphasize, जब मैं आपको MEC की बात कर रहा, empowerment की बात किया, to appoint your select people in the administration and the power bodies, whether it is judiciary, police, administration, army or bureaucracy, correct? तो
आप इस इशू को लेकर किन लोगों से मिलने जा रहे हैं?
Sorry?
इस इशू को लेकर
बिल्कुल. अब ये क्या? You are right. I will just elaborate it and tell you about this also. अब एम्पावरमेंट जब बोलते हैं, आप मेरी बात गौर से सुनिए कि ये मैं बहुत छोटा आदमी हूँ इतनी बड़ी बात करने के लिए. जब राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब की हयात थी, वो बेचारे काम करते करते अल्लाह ताला को मंजूर नहीं था, he is gone, but he had a bigger commitment. I am sure about it. I have no hesitation in saying that. And this GCM has also a bigger commitment. But what feel we had that time, among that I have said one thing: political reservation की बात. See, I am coming to the main crux of the problem. The crux of the problem is, आप किसी भी political party को देखिए, whether it is BJP, Congress, TRS, TDP, PRP, SP, MP, you name it, you have got more than 375 parties in our country. The representation, proportionate representations for minorities, whether it is a Muslim, Sikh, Christian or any representation को आप बढ़ावा नहीं देंगे. मुस्लिम्स और माइनॉरिटीज का उस वक्त तक ये जो डिसबैलेंस है ना सोसाइटी में, वो डिसबैलेंस को आप खत्म कर ही नहीं सकते. सो वी वांट टू एम्फसाइज राइटफुल एम्पावरमेंट ऑफ द माइनॉरिटीज ऑफ इंडिया. राइटफुल, हम कोई गैर कानूनी बात नहीं कर रहे, हम कोई कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ बात नहीं कर रहे, हम कोई मुसलमानों का हक लेके हिंदुओं के हक को मारने की बात कतई नहीं कर रहे. Because I believe personally, and we all share that view, that Muslims are on one side, the minorities on one side, these nearly 70 to 75 to 80% of the majority Hindu community. I am proud to say that majority of the community, in it is for a balanced and a proper distribution of powers, you can say. बिल्कुल, क्योंकि आज का मुसलमान या आज का हिंदू, आज का हिंदुस्तानी एक बिल्कुल रोशन हिंदुस्तानी है. He has the right to integrate the feel of the Hindus. Then we will be doing injustice to them. Their power is also with us. It is not just the minority, 10%, 12%, 16%, 20%. I would say the majority of the people in Hindu community who have the feel of the constitution and who are progressive and who want to really come out openly. We see in media, you know very well, you are from media, whether it is electronic media or print media, the people who raise in most aggressive manner the rights of the people, whether they are minorities or backward, they are the majority Hindus. Don't you agree on that? आप आज का मीडिया उठा के देख लीजिए, सारी दुनिया का मीडिया उठा के देख लीजिए. हम कहते हैं कि भाई हाँ, मैं मीडिया में भी बायस्ड. I know, yes, it can be biased, but not to an extent of negating the facts of the society. एक सेकेंड स्टेज हमारा ये है कि दिस इज ए स्मॉल फीलर. आप हमसे अलग नहीं हैं, हम आपसे अलग नहीं. यू आर इंडियंस, वी आर इंडियंस. हमारे समाज की मसाइल के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि सेकेंड जो होगा हमारा, वो होगा एक सेमिनार. See, this is a small field. And that seminar date, it will be in the month of February. Month of March. You have February, we have already in February. After the first, maybe on the 15th or 17th of March, we will come up with two expert topics. They will be speaking on this issue. They will be experts to speak on that. We are not experts on minority reservations. We are not proper representatives of the issues of the minorities. There are 1,000 people to represent more better than what we can. We would like to open this as a panel and go for a discussion for 2-3 hours and make a resolution. And make a demand charter. Demand charter of 5 points. We don't want to have more than 5 points also. हमारे लिए 1 point ही काफी है सर. 1 point क्या है? Implement the recommendations of Sachar and Rangarath Commission.